Hi, it's Anneke. I hope y'all are having a good week so far, and I wanted to thank each and every one of you for your support. It has been a very new experience, and I hope to continue sharing my new lifestyle with you. On my journey from Cambodia to Phuket, Thailand, I found the juiciest mangoes, and when you mix those with some flavorful jalapenos, peppers, you create the best pico de mango. So today we're going to make a crispy chicken pico de mango lettuce wrap, and we're going to prepare our tofu just like that chicken. We're gonna have a peanut sauce and a spicy slaw on the side. This dish is super quick, super healthy, and filled with lots of vitamin A, B6, C, E, K. It's also an anti-inflammatory, and it has a ton of other health benefits that's in the description below. So we're going to preheat the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 204 degrees Celsius. So what you want to do first is drain your tofu, wrap it in paper towels, and top it off with a cast iron or anything heavy in your kitchen. So we're going to start with the Ziploc bag. If you like to use a bowl, you can use a bowl. I like to use a Ziploc bag. So we're just going to add our tofu with soy sauce, olive oil, some cornstarch, breadcrumbs for that nice crispy, and I like to use whatever I use to flavor my chicken with, so some chicken spices and some vegetable spices. Once it's all in the bag, we're just going to shake things up. This is the fun part. On a baking sheet, I'm just going to spray a little bit of olive oil. We're going to pour out the tofu. Going to spread it out. And this is gone in the oven for 30 minutes. So now we're going to make our pico de mango. And everything is going in one bowl. We're going to start with our mango. Red bell pepper. Our jalapeno. Green onions. Cilantro, and lime juice and salt. Once that's all in the bowl, we're gonna mix that very well. Such beautiful colors. Nice combination. And there is that. As we finish this, we have the spicy slaw that we're going to mix in our bowl. Cabbage, red radish, green onions, some white vinegar, roasted sesame oil, some red pepper flakes. Depending on how spicy you want it, you can always add more. salt, lime juice, garlic, some sweet little peppers, and also some baby rainbow carrots. We're going to mix this one very good together. This also has some pretty colors. The red radish. And the smell of the roasted sesame oil. I'm already getting hungry. And there you have this. So now that we have our spicy slaw, we're going to the last part of our quick and easy dish, the peanut sauce. So peanut butter, room temperature. We're going to add roasted sesame oil, some lime juice, some low sodium soy sauce, rice vinegar, some agave nectar, and some sesame seeds. And we're gonna give it a good mix. When it's room temperature, it's going to mix a lot easier. So I gave it a good mix for a couple of minutes or so. So our tofu has been in the oven for about 30 minutes. So we're going to see how it looks. Look how crispy golden. And it smells like chicken, but it's not chicken. So now we're going to start plating our dish. And I have a big leaf of lettuce, the romaine lettuce, because they're a little bit longer, but the butter lettuce works perfectly as well. We're going to add our pico de mango. And add all these beautiful colors on the canvas. It's like creating a painting. I'll take a few tofu pieces. Slaw. And that reddish brings out the nice red color as well. So it's a very beautiful combination. And our peanut sauce. And I also just have my little bag ready with a little bit of peanut sauce already in. And voila! Our pico de mango lettuce wrap with crispy tofu, spicy slaw, and homemade peanut sauce. Thanks for coming to Thailand with me. And next time we're going closer to home. We're going to visit La Bella Italia. I hope you will love these as much as I did, and I look forward to what we're cooking next. Goodbye.